How are we to search the scriptures?
Now we have received not the spirit of the world, but the Spirit which is of God, that we might know the things that are freely given to us of God, which things also we speak, not in the words which man's wisdom teacheth, but which the Holy Ghost teacheth, comparing spiritual things with spiritual. For precept must be upon precept, precept upon precept, line upon line, line upon line, here a little and there a little.
You are to compare Bible verses with other Bible verses and not interpret it based on the opinions from other sources. You should take a little from one place and compare it with another. Jesus did this in Luke chapter 24 when he walked with his disciples after his resurrection from the dead. He also did this when he warned the disciples about the signs to watch for in connection with his second coming in Matthew chapter 24. The relationship between the books of Daniel and Revelation are another example of this. When you use Bible verses to explain other Bible verses correctly, you'll find that many verses that seemed difficult to understand will be a lot easier to interpret. We'll do this together in future Bible studies.